Dear students, I am solving question number 3 of exercise 8.1 chapter trigonometry of NCERT 10th standard. So, given sin A equal to 3 upon 4 equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Make right angle triangle ABC in which B is a right angle. Then in right angle triangle ABC, perpendicular opposite sides of 90 degrees hypotenuse. Nearby base and opposite of angle A is perpendicular. So now perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. In right angle triangle ABC by PGT H square equal to P square plus B square implies that 4 square equal to 3 square plus B square implies that 16 9 B square implies that B square equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7 implies that B square equal to 7 implies that B equal to under root 7. So it is the under root 7. Now cos A equal to base over hypotenuse equal to under root 7 upon 4. Similarly, tan A perpendicular over base equal to 3 upon under root 7. So it is the answer with this question based on right angle triangle. Now I am proceeding question number 4 of exercise 8.1. Question number 4. Now question number 4 of exercise 8.1 of NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution. 15 cot A equal to A. So cot A 8 upon 15. But you know that cot base over perpendicular make right angle triangle. It is a 90 degree ABC. So for angle A, it is the base, it is the perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse. So base is 8 and perpendicular is 15. Hypotenuse question mark. In right angle triangle, triangle ABC by PGT H square P square plus B square implies that H square P square 15 square plus 8 square. It implies that H square equal to 2 to 5 plus 64 implies that h square equal to 289 implies that x equal to under root 289 equal to 17. So now hypotenuse is 17, but I want to calculate sin A. Sin A equal to perpendicular hypotenuse. It means 15 upon 17 and sec A equal to hypotenuse over base. It means 17 upon A. It is the answer. So next question. Next question 5. Given sec theta equal to 13 upon 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So I am giving a solution. Sec theta 13 upon 12. Sec theta, you know, hypotenuse over base. Make a right angle triangle. A, B, C. It is a 90 degree. It is a theta. So h equal to 30 and base equal to 12 and p equal to question mark. In right angle triangle, triangle ABC by PCT, h square p square plus p square implies that 13 square p square plus 12 square implies that h square equal to 169 p square 144 implies that p square equal to 169 minus 144 25 implies that p square equal to 25 implies that p equal to under root 25 equal to 5. So we can find perpendicular is 5. Now sin theta perpendicular hypotenuse, it means 5 upon 30. Cos theta base over hypotenuse 12 upon 13. Tan theta perpendicular base 5 upon 12. Cot write down 8 and cos theta cot theta equal to base over perpendicular. It means 12 upon 5 and cosec theta equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular. It means 13 upon 5. It is the answer. Now I am taking next question. Now I am attending question number 8 of NCERT 10th standard exercise 8.1. So I am giving a solution. Cos A equal to cos B. But you know that you make a right angle triangle. AB, ACB. It is a 90 angle C 90 degree because given angle A and angle B are acute angles. So these are acute angles. But you want to calculate cos A. For this angle, cos A, it is the base or it is the hypotenuse, and it is the base and hypotenuse. For angle A, it means base over hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse equal to, for angle B, it is the base and it is the hypotenuse. So base over hypotenuse AC upon AB equal to BC upon AB. AB cancel out. AC equal to BC. But angle B equal to angle A. Region angle opposite to equal sides. So sides are equal because I already proved AC equal to BC. So these are equal sides. So angle B equal to angle A. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, implies that angle A equal to angle B. Hence proved. So now I am taking question number 7. Now I am giving a solution of question number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 upon 8, 7 upon 8 equal to base over perpendicular, make right angle triangle. With the help of triangle, you find the value of sin theta and cos theta. It means base is 7 and perpendicular is 8. Hypotenuse question mark. In right angle triangle, ABC by PCT, H square equal to P square plus B square, implies that H square equal to 8 square plus 7 square. 8 is 64 plus 49 113 implies that H square equal to 64 plus 49 113 implies that H equal to under root 113. So hypotenuse is 113. Now sin theta equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. It means 8 upon under root 113. Cos theta equal to base over hypotenuse equal to 7 upon under root 113. Note it down. Now I am taking first part. 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Put these values. 1 plus sin theta sin theta 8 upon under root 113. 1 minus 8 upon under root 113 upon cos theta 1 plus 7 upon under root 113 1 minus 7 upon under root 113. Now as you know, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 square minus 8 upon square upon 1 square minus square. Now a plus c, a minus b. Since a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Using this identity, we may write 1 square minus 8 upon under root 113 square upon 1 square minus 7 upon under root 113 square. Now we can write we can write 1 minus 64 upon 113 upon 1 minus 49 upon 113 equal to, take LCM, 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 upon 113, cancel out, implies that 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 equal to 9, 49, 64. It is the right answer. I am taking second part. Second part, cot square theta. So already cot theta equal to 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 square equal to 49 upon 64. It is the right answer. Now, okay, I will take next questions in next class of exercise 8.1 of NCERT 10th standard. Rest is okay.